Hi guys, and welcome to this weeknight clean with me. This video is not going to be nearly as intense and long as my last video where it was the whole wrecked house clean with me, but I wanted to show you guys on a weeknight some things I do just to pick up and keep my house a little bit cleaner if I have time. As you can probably see, like, my house is pretty messy, but it's just like clutter and stuff throughout the week. I also had just made dinner, so I needed to clean up from that. So I hope you guys are excited, and go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up at the end if you did enjoy. So first thing I'm doing is just going to be changing my sheets out. We just needed to, it was time to change them. I also got a new duvet cover, and I'm just playing around with some of the decor in my room. That's why you see some things that are different, like the lamps, and then things that still have the tags on them as well. So I'm probably going to be doing a master bedroom refresh video because I did just repaint and everything. So stay tuned for that video. I'm still trying to mess around with it and see what I like. If you want more intense cleaning motivation, then be sure to check out my wrecked house clean with me that I just posted last week. I will link it down below for you guys and in the cards, so you can easily just click on it if you'd like to see that video. I did just start back to school. This was my first week back in school, so it was a crazy week, and I really didn't have time to do anything throughout the house, and if I did, I didn't want to because I was so tired from school. But yeah, so that's why I'm taking this time to go ahead and catch up on a weeknight, so this Saturday I can enjoy myself and I don't have to clean my house all day. The next thing I'm doing is catching up on laundry. I had a lot of laundry I needed to do. A lot of my scrubs that I wear to school I needed to wash as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and catch up and I did a couple loads of laundry this night. And I ended up folding it all and putting it all away same night, just so I know it's not going to sit there all week. Next, it was time to clean up the dishes after dinner. I made spaghetti this night, so it wasn't too many dishes, but it still took me a while, and I hate when you think you've done all the dishes, and then you turn around and you see there's still like pots and pans and things on the stove that you have to clean. Still using my Mrs. Meyer's peony scent. I was at Target and smelled the new one. I think it was called Acorn Spice, not Apple Spice, Acorn Spice. And oh my goodness, it made me so ready for fall. And I know I still have a long way here in Tennessee, but I was so excited, and I really can't wait to buy some of that and use that to clean my house. And of course, you know I love the Method degreaser. I saw Amy Darley use this on her channel, and this product has been a lifesaver with my stove and just pretty much anything in general. Like, it gets anything and everything off, and I don't have to hardcore scrub it. Once a week I do use a little razor blade on my stove to get anything off that was spoiled on food, but for the most part that degreaser gets everything off. I'm taking out all the trash and also going to be gathering trash throughout the house because this was a Thursday night and our trash comes on Friday, and I actually wanted to just go ahead and put it all out. Usually this is Aaron's one job, he takes the trash out, but he didn't get home from work until super late this night, so I just went ahead and did it so he wouldn't have to worry about it in the morning.
Oh, there's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while.
Moving on to the living room, I just had things to pick up, straighten up in here, and then fold all that laundry. And you can see there's a lot of dog toys on the floor. Just literally what my house looks like 99% of the time during the week. So I'm just going to start picking up some things, taking some other trash out, and picking up all those dog toys. Then I had to brush Huckleberry because he sheds like crazy during this heat in Memphis. It's been so hot. So I brushed him out, and he always loves that. Next, I got this like Febreze fabric refresher, and that's really made a difference just on my couch and stuff, because the dogs get up on the couch a lot, and although like yeah they get baths and stuff, it's just nice to have like a refresh spray.
I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games?
I'm just gonna go ahead and fold all that laundry. This was 2 loads over 2 days that I did that had just been sitting here waiting to be folded.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really.
So here I'm moving this big piece of furniture because I'm taking the lamps that were previously in my bedroom and putting them here because I like the height, and I think they just went a little bit better. Because I'm getting new lamps for our bedroom, but I could only find one, and I got them at Target, so I'm just waiting to get the next one and see if I want to keep those or get different lamps. But so that was pretty much a quick little cleanup with me. I mean, it's not perfect, and we didn't do any deep cleaning, but I just wanted to show you guys, like on a weeknight, what I do to like prepare for the next day, or just take a little bit off myself, so all Saturday I'm not having to like clean all day and not be able to relax or do anything fun. So this is what my room looks like. I'm still working on the decor, that's why you still see tags on things. So yeah, don't pay any attention to that, but I will be doing a video probably on like some master bedroom refresh decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, and I will see you in my next video.
Who goes doing stage dives? I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.